And welcome back. And we get back on track with the news from Switzerland, where national record holder Ackera Nugent was the only Jamaican winner on the second and final day of the Diamond League finals in Zurich. This on Thursday. But there was disappointment for Tia Clayton in her bid to qualify for the World Championships via the wildcard entry route. National record holder Ackera Nugent secured her first Diamond League trophy after scorching to victory in the women's 100-meter hurdles on the second and final day of the Diamond League finals in Zurich, Switzerland on Thursday. Nugent clocked a season's best, equaling 12.30 seconds to win the event.
Stark gets out brilliantly. This has just got left a little bit short. Goal starts quickly over the far side. And then right coming through the middle is Nugent. Nugent going well. It's Nugent just with the lead at the minute. Is she going to hang on to it? It's going to be Nugent to take it. 12.29. That is sensational. It might...
She won ahead of hometown girl, the Tajikan Bunji, who equaled the Swiss national record of 12.40, and American Grace Stark, who was third in 12.44. Reigning world champion and fellow Jamaican Danielle Williams also clocked 12.44 for fourth. Victory for 23-year-old Nugent meant she secured the Diamond Trophy and a US $100,000 cash prize.
I haven't won any Diamond League since the season has started, and to be able to win the major one at the end of this season is a really good feeling, and it's giving me a bit more momentum and confidence going into the World Champs.
Paris Olympic finalist Tia Clayton was the next best placed Jamaican with a second place finish in the women's 100 meters. She clocked 10.84 to finish behind Olympic champion Julian Alfred of St. Lucia, who sped to victory in 10.76. A victory for Tia would have guaranteed a wildcard entry for the 100 meters to next month's World Championships in Japan. Akeem Blake ended third in the men's 100 meters, clocking 9.99 behind American winner Christian Coleman 9.97 and South African Akani Simbine 9.98. Antoinette Knight also secured a third-place finish in the women's 400-meter hurdles, clocking 53.67. The event was won by Dutch star Femke Bol, who broke her own meet record in posting 52.18. And national champion Orlando Bennett ended 7th in the men's 110-meter hurdles in 13.35. The event was won by American Cordell Tinge in a meet record 12.92. In the field, reigning Olympic champion Roger Stoner was third in the men's discus with 67.06 meters. National champion Romain Beckford placed fourth in the men's high jump with 2.22 meters. While another national champion, Jordan Scott, was also fourth in the men's triple jump with 17.16 meters. And Paris Olympic silver medalist Shanika Ricketts ended fifth in the women's triple jump with 14.35 meters. Many of the athletes will now turn their attentions to next month's World Championships in Tokyo, Japan. The World Athletics Championships can be seen live and exclusive on TVJ and TVJ SN with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM.